Okay, alright. So, the box idea was stupid. Alright, so let's turn on the remote here and get good old granite. No, it's not a granite. It's not a granite. It's the Captain Drone Mobile. So cool. Love this thing. Anyway, gotta turn it on. That's the one thing I don't like, is you have to remove the baud. You gotta remove that baud in order to turn it on. And you also have to remember to power it on. Like so. Okay. So this is on the original nickel metal hydride battery. Come on, man. Get in it. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. I don't want to be out here in the cold, but I'm in the cold. I can't do this, guys. I can't do this. Okay, lift the car so that it doesn't fly away. Okay. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's see. It's in good shape. God, I wish I had some drift tires, because this thing would drift like so well. It's so cool. It is so cool. This car is amazing. I love this car. So I wish I had some drift tires for it. You can kind of drift it on the water there, but not really. It's I like to compare this thing to a Tesla, because it just holds onto the road. It drifts onto the road so well. But anyway, this is on the nickel metal hydride battery, which is awesome. Plenty of power. I don't know why people complain about it not having enough power. But now we're going to test it on the other battery that came. Let's get that battery out here. Let's get that battery out here. I see you see what I see. One of the coolest vehicles on the market today, and it's got water inside, so I'm not sure if that's good. There's water all over on the inside. Let's turn it off, maybe. Is it off? Yeah, it's off. Good. And I don't know. You probably should take this stuff off. Gosh darn it. Yuck. It is so wet in there. And the other thing is that it collects stones. It collects a lot of stones in there. Put the other battery away. The other battery is very heavy in weight. Okay, where's the connector now? Okay, the connector's over here, so should I stick the battery in this way? I don't know. I've never done this before because I've never had a battery like this to put in it before that worked. So I haven't really worked out all the stuff, but I guess you just stick it on there. And it is a slightly smaller battery, so it might fly around. No, it might not fly around. Who knows? Who knows what it'll do? But you've got these little pins on the top here, and you got to switch them. It's the front. Oh gosh, I almost lost the pin connector of death. And you switch it over to the other side. And if I get this right, it won't explode. But if I get it wrong, we might have some issues, burnage and all. Let's lift it. Oh, great. That did not work. I could have sworn I did that correctly. Is it because it got wet and it killed it?